Hi and a very warm welcome to today's class. My name is Gaia and we are doing a super relaxing, stress relieving class today that can be done in bed, perfect in the morning or in the evening. So first we'll just begin by taking some nice deep breaths all the way down into your belly. Just settling, connecting with our breath. Sit in any way that feels comfortable to you. And just connect with yourself for a few breaths. After your next exhale, you can float your eyes open if you had them closed, and we'll do some alternate nostril breathing. We'll be closing one nostril and then the other, starting with an inhale through the left, and then exhale through the right, and inhale through the right, and exhale through the left. Keep going in your own rhythm, inhaling through the left, and exhaling through the right, and then inhaling through the right, and exhaling through the left. Go with your own breath rhythm at your own pace for a few moments longer. And we will end the alternate nostril breathing with an exhale through the left. And once you've done that, just take a few moments of normal breathing to center yourself again, to return to your breath, and just feel the effects of the practice. We're moving into some somatics next, just gently tugging on your earlobes, alternating the right and the left. Make the tug pretty firm but not painful. We want to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, so our rest and digest response, promoting safety in the body, calmness and groundedness. So just keep tugging on your earlobes on the bottom of the ear, going in your own rhythm, maybe including a few nice deep breaths all the way down into your belly as you do this movement. Whenever you are ready, you can bring the movement to a pause, and then gently and slowly make your way into a child's pose. Take as much time as you need here. Knees go apart, big toes together, but you can also keep a bit of a distance between your feet here if you want to go even deeper into your hips. And then just allow your chest to lay down on your bed. Really try to breathe into your back body here, feeling the breath move all the way down along your spine. And just melt into the ground, into the bed, and surrender. slowly begin to deepen your breath to signal to your body that you're about to move, and then gently roll yourself up and come to lie down on your back into a reclined butterfly, so feet together, knees apart. And I do recommend keeping your hands on your hips, on your pelvis at this point, just to give our brain some more attention to that area, directing the focus to a part of us that we truly want to relax even deeper and allow it to release even more tension. Make sure to take nice, deep, long breaths here, just allowing every part of you to loosen, to relax, and to surrender. Gently begin to deepen your breath. Maybe take a nice deep inhale in and exhale out. And then, with the help of your hands, bring your knees back up so that they are facing the ceiling. Place your hands down beside you with the palms facing down, and we will begin with some knee sways, which is a beautiful somatic movement. We are simply bringing our knees over a little bit to the right and then carrying them over to the left. This is slow over to the right and then very, very lazily over to the left. Work with your own rhythm. The movement does not have to be big at all. It can be actually super tiny. You can experiment with the size, see what works best for you, and just keep shifting those hips to one side and then to the other in a way that feels most relaxing, most lazy, like you're on a vacation with nothing to do. Just practice this beautiful, relaxing movement. When you're ready, bring the movement to a pause and very lazily, very slowly roll onto your stomach. You can lie down diagonally on the bed if you have pillows that are in the way. Bend at the elbows and rest your forehead on your hands. And we'll just begin sloshing our hips from side to side, going left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Just really sloshing those hips very lazily, very loose, just enjoying this beautiful releasing movement. You will feel the skin on your low back sliding, your thighs are spiraling. This movement travels up your body, down your body, and all of it is originating from the hips that are just very lazily sloshing from left to right. In your own rhythm, at your own pace. Just do what feels super relaxing right now, and we'll keep at it for a few moments longer. And whenever you're ready, you can bring the movement to a pause. Just feel yourself resting heavy against your bed or your mat. And then, when you're ready, roll onto one side first in a nice little fetal position for a breath or two. And then, with the help of your hands, you can press yourself up into a seat. If this was a morning practice for you, you can move on with your day now. If this is an evening practice, especially before bed, I highly recommend that you end this video with the gratitude we're going to do and then make your way into Shavasana and allow yourself to fall asleep in Shavasana. And it's going to take you onto a beautiful, restful journey. Now place your hands together at the heart in Anjali Mudra, really tapping into the gratitude for doing something so beautiful for yourself, for the beauty of your breath, the beauty of this life you have been given. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I hope you have an amazing, amazing time feeling relaxed and wonderful. Thank you.